Alright, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can save games in REPO. So what I'm gonna do here first is just create a new game like so. So once you have your game created, there is no manual way of saving actually, but what you have to do is complete certain conditions. So here you know that you get put in a place and you gotta get the card, fill it with items and complete the quota here, MIDI quota, in the top right corner. So once you complete the quota, and there are some different checkpoints throughout the level. So once you complete the quota for a specific level here, it is automatically going to save. That means when you extract your card. And also what you can do is, like I said, there are some different checkpoints throughout the level. If you reach some points which aren't marked, it is automatically going to save it. So I hope this explains it. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.